I was a little nervous coming in to get some work done because as a kid and as an adult, I've had some pretty traumatizing experiences. So I really, at all costs, tried to avoid getting any dental work done. I didn't know at the time I was having some excruciating pain, and it turns out it was my wisdom teeth. So my friend recommended that I try out Sapphire Family Dentistry, and when I came in, all my fears, for some reason, I don't know what it was about this place, they just dropped.
When Christian first came to our office, he was in a lot of pain. He was complaining how his wisdom teeth are starting to break apart, and it's giving him a lot of discomfort, and it's affecting the way he's eating, and he can't sleep. He wanted me to get rid of his pain and just remove his wisdom teeth for him. Once Christian experienced the level of care that we provided him, later on we were able to place a dental implant with him comfortably.
I was pretty confident with the staff here and also Dr. Trinh that I was willing to come back and get an implant done. Because of the procedure I had here and because of the experience I had here, I had no issues booking a follow-up date to get that done. As someone that was either scared or fearful of coming in and being able to give them a chance and being proven wrong that it wasn't going to be the same experiences that I've always experienced in the past, that'd be something different. And because of that, I'm really confident that if somebody else were to give them the same chance, they would experience the same experience that I experienced, which was super smooth procedure, a warming welcome into this dentistry, and a very knowledgeable team here.